What's up guys, Electric Pro here, and this is a Lamborghini RC car. I made a video on this, dropping it from 20 feet. Okay, so yeah guys, now nothing really happened. A lot of things happened from the, okay, there's hair stuck. I'll try to fix this car. Alright guys, so I just noticed that there was actually hair stuck in the wheels. What is it called? Like it's not really a pipe, but it's like a long metal stick, maybe I'd say, that holds the tires, holds the wheels. It actually had hair stuck in them, which, see, the illustration's bad now. So yeah, this car is pretty much dead. But I'm just gonna make it become in pieces. Like, today I'm gonna be throwing this up in the air. I'm gonna be throwing it up, and I'll destroy it. So in this video, I'm basically gonna be destroying this car. Hey guys, that's what I'm gonna be doing today. Alright guys, so I'm gonna be progressively going higher and higher, throwing the car higher and higher until it eventually breaks into pieces. So, okay, there are bees. So first let's try low. Okay. I don't know if that showed up in the camera. Oh! So, you see this side here? Yeah, this black thing, it's inside. See this? It's on the other side here. It's completely coming out. I feel like I could break it off. Yeah, see that? It's just completely coming. Yeah, see that? It's coming out. See that right there? Coming out right there. But not that much of a deal. And oh, okay. So oh no, that's not damage. Okay, so pretty much not that much damage. It's just I think a black piece of the car broke off, but it's really not that much of a big deal. So now I'll try a little higher. Oh, that landed on the grass. Alright, I guess we're doing a redo here. Landed on the grass. So 3, 2, 1. Oh, not too far. Alright, oh, that is bad. That is so bad. Well, it's not really bad, but look at this. See this tire? Look. See, this tire is intact. There. Okay, this one's coming out a little. This one too. But you see this one? It's like about to come off. So I guess we can put that back on. I'll try to. Alright guys, I was able to put the tires back on, but let's continue. Alright. So even higher this time. 3, 2, 1. Landed on the grass again. Okay, enough of this grass thing. I'm actually gonna throw it. You see this? The reason why I didn't want to throw it on this huge concrete road is because, you know, there's too much sun. You might not be able to see the camera, but now it's like, why not just do that? Maybe can you see? I think you can, but let's do that instead. Yeah, so even higher now. Well, redo from last time, so 3, 2, 1. Okay, that didn't fly as much, but enough of these tires. I'm not gonna keep putting the tires back on. I'm looking for damage. Oh, okay, so the back is full of chips now. Let me go in the shade again. So I'm gonna be throwing it in the sun because that's where the really empty road is, but I'm gonna go in the shade, the grass, to see the damage so we can see better. So the tires came back off, not putting that back on, so you can see the back is full of chips now. And the front too. So the front and back is full of chips. But no, that's pretty much it. Oh wait, there are chips on the bottom too. Oh, okay, pretty bad chips here. Kind of on the bottom. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, right there. And then there's some chips over here. Oh, there's a piece broken. Oh wait, that was, oh. So this part right here, see, it's closed. Oh, this has chips too. See this side? Oh yeah, you can't, I don't think you can see that, but okay, you can kind of see it right there. See, this side's closed. Let's see this side. It's kind of opening up right there. But this side, it's closed. So yeah, that's one damage. Then I see it opening up, and then it's all full of chips. And the piece broken off right there, I think that was already there from the window test. I didn't even notice that, and I didn't mention that, but I guess I didn't see it. But now let's throw even higher. So, oh, there's a car coming. I know, the park's far away. Alright, so 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's bad. Oh, never seen that. Look at that. See that? There's too much sun. It actually landed on the side. Wow. Never seen that happen before, but yeah. Alright guys, so I didn't show you, I don't know if you could see that in the sun, but this is actually how I saw it after it landed on the side that way. I'm being honest here. So let's see what happens. Oh. Even more chips on the back. Chips. Yeah, even more chips on the back. And oh, so many scratches on the side here. Scratches on the top. It's like paint chipping. It's just weird. Okay. Chips right here, paint chipping. Not any more damage. Scratches on the bottom here. There. Oh, okay, this is the really bad damage here. See this right here? Front part. Let it focus. Yeah, see that DX? See that DX writing right here? In front of that, it's cracked. See that crack right there? Focus. Wouldn't focus, but it is cracked. See that? Yeah, it's cracked. So more chips. It's more chips. Cracks on the bottom. Chips and scratches, but really not that much of a big deal. So, oh, okay. Also, something that will damage the looks of it. See the Lamborghini sign? Focus. I don't know if that it's not able to focus, but you can actually see that the Lamborghini sign is coming off. Like, there are chips, and the Lamborghini sign is not showing. Yeah, see that? Right there, see that? It's like in the middle, there's some kind of chip scratching, a chipping line, and you can't see the Lamborghini sign right there. So the Lamborghini sign's kind of coming off. Pretty bad damage from the drop, but let's go even higher now. Why not? Have fun with this. So even higher. You know what? Let's go pretty high this time. Whoa, that was high. How is this car still in one piece? Like, that was so high. Oh, okay, so this is the first damage that I see. See this lining right here? I need to wait for it to focus again. See this lining right here? It's closed up, but on the other side, not that much, but it's like kind of opened up. I'm not able to close that. So it's opened up very, okay, more chips, a lot of more chips. Yeah, that's it. More chips in the opened up part. That's really it. So, you know what? This time, try as high as I can. Throw it up as high as I can. See if that will destroy it. Now, I throw pretty high. Alright, so let's throw it. Let's finish this thing off. 3, 2, 1. Oh. Okay. So the first thing I can see is a piece broken off. So finally something broke off. See this right here? On this side? This black part? It's on, it's still good on, but on the other side, see that this part broke off. See, it's empty. I'll try to put it back on. Alright guys, so I was able to put it back on right there, but now more chips. Yeah, of course more chips. I'm gonna throw it on the ground as hard as I can. This should finally destroy it. So 3, 2, 1. Okay, yeah, throw it again. Yeah, what is this? Again, third time. This car is not. It's not able to destroy it. Came out again right here. See that? One more time. Are you serious? Hear that? Parts inside are broken up. Oh, there's a piece broken. See this? Oh, okay, so there. See this plastic thing with the light string? On the other side, it broke off. Yeah. Car's destroyed. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I'll do the outro inside. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video if you want to see more. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Peace.